Another charge is dropped as the prosecution rests its case in the trial of Lieutenant Brian Rice. Rice is the highest-ranking officer charged in connection with the arrest and death of Freddie Gray. Prosecutors have made his rank a factor in their case. And WJZ investigator Mike Elgren's outside Courthouse East with some legal analysis on the judge's decision and the impact on the case. Mike?
So 3 charges remain, Mary. That assault charge has been dropped. We're joined by Adam Ruther. How big a victory is this for defense attorneys?
Well, it's a considerable victory. Basically what it means is that Judge Williams has said, okay, state, I've heard all your evidence on this charge, and I find that under no circumstances could a reasonable finder of fact find guilt based on that evidence on this charge beyond a reasonable doubt. And so essentially what Judge Williams has said is, we're going to stop short right here. We're not even going to go to closing arguments on that particular charge. I'm going to find him not guilty as a matter of law right now. And so obviously that takes a certain burden off of the defense as they move into their case.
How unusual is that before a single defense witness has taken the stand?
Well, it's fairly unusual. Most of the time when the state brings charges, they're fairly certain that they'll at least be able to get over that hurdle, and the standard is in their favor at that point. You're supposed to look at everything in a light most favorable to the state in making that determination. But here, as we've discussed before, this is an unusual application of the law. The state has an unusual theory about how these crimes were committed, and so it's anybody's game at this point, and Judge Williams has basically called that game on that charge for the defense.
Thank you very much, Adam. Court resumes at 9:30 in the morning. Mary, back to you.
All right, Mike and Adam, thank you. And stay with WJZ for complete coverage of the trial of Lieutenant Brian Rice. We'll be in court to bring you the latest developments.